Fine, guys. Quite nice. Perfect. 12,000 bucks. Hey guys, hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are quite well. Today I'm going to show you one more cool strategy for the binary options market. And now I'm going to show you how to make big money, yo. So let's start. Fine, so as I told you, today I'm going to show you cool strategy. I'm going to use MACD indicator together with SuperTrend indicator. We have invested our first 80 bucks. As you can see, SuperTrend indicator together with MACD are showing us that price will highly likely drop right now. That's why we have opened sell position. For those who don't know how SuperTrend indicator is working, you need to pay attention to the position of the candles where they are. If candles are below the line of the SuperTrend, this is a short signal. Contrary to that, if candles are above the SuperTrend line, this is signal for the long position. Concerning MACD indicator, you should always pay attention to the position of the green line of the MACD indicator where it is. If the green line of the MACD indicator is below the red one, this is a strong short signal. Contrary to that, if the green line is above the red line, this is a strong buy signal. So that's it. Now I have explained to you how this indicator works, and now we will make money. As always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute, and I invest whole deposit in each trade. This will allow me to save my time and to enlarge my deposit as fast as possible. So now let's switch our investment to $152. We have chosen right now our GPI currency pair. As you can see, price has reached a strong level of resistance. SuperTrend is telling us that price will highly likely drop right now. That's why we have opened sell position here with an investment of $152. Fine, that's good. These big two red candles are making me really horny. Fine, guys, fine, that's good. We have around 300 bucks in our account right now. That's quite good. That's quite good. Let's check USD IRS currency pair. Here we have opened buy position. As you can see, we have downgoing trends. We have broken through the SuperTrend line, but MACD indicator is in the long zone, and moreover, buyers are trying to push the price higher, and this was our signal for the buy position, and we have opened buy position here. Let's check USD currency pair. So price has reached a strong level of support. Price cannot overcome this level of support right now. That's why for us it's a signal for the buy position, and we have opened it right now. We have invested 550 bucks here. Quite nice, very profitable trade. So here, MACD indicator is telling us that price will highly likely drop. SuperTrend indicator is also telling us the same shit. We're trying to open short position here with an investment of 1,000 bucks. By the way, guys, please, right now, open description to this video, and if you wanna understand how to trade like a pro like this and get real money each day in my VIP channel, subscribe to my TG, link for it you can find in the description. Write me private message, Michael, I wanna become VIP. I will automatically for free add you to my VIP channel, in which each day at the scheduled time you will get daily online signals for your trading activities, and will implement them in your trading activity and get real money each day thanks to my trading signals. This is right now, and become millionaire together with me. Let's check Euro USD currency pair. So here we have opened buy position. We have a very strong bullish trend. Oscillator is also telling us that price will highly likely grow. Now we're expecting that price will break through the super trend line. That's why we opened buy position here. Perfect, guys, perfect. So let's invest for $3,000 here. Let's check USD DZD currency pair. So according to MACD indicator, we're expecting a bullish trend. We have a very big and strong bullish green candle. The previous one gives us a strong signal for the buy position, and we're investing $3,000 here. So what do we have here, guys? According to the super trend, price is now in the upgoing channel. We will continue growing together with that MACD indicator is also telling us that price will highly likely grow. And yep, guys, we should continue growing right now. That's why we have opened 2 buy positions here with an investment of $3,000 each. So totally we have invested $6,000 here. So guys, perfect. We have earned around $12,000, $12,000 on my account. Just look at the shit. We started with just $80 that turned into $12,000. If you want to do the same results like me, be with me right now. I have told you how to do this. Now I'm wishing you good time, profitable time, and success. So thank you for your attention, and bye bye.